भारत पाकिस्तान तनाव के बीच आतंकवाद के खिलाफ भारत की नीति दुनिया के साथ साझा करने के उद्देश्य से अमेरिका पहुंचे भारतीय डेलीगेशन ने 9/11 यानी 9/11 हमले में जान गंवाने वाले लोगों को मेमोरियल पहुंचकर श्रद्धांजलि दी। इस दौरान डेलीगेशन को लीड कर रहे कांग्रेस सांसद शशि थरूर ने कहा कि जिस प्रकार अमेरिका आतंकवाद का शिकार हुआ है, उसी तरह भारत भी बार बार इसका शिकार हो चुका है। न्यूयॉर्क में 9/11 यानी 9/11 मेमोरियल के बाहर मीडिया से बात करते हुए शशि थरूर ने और क्या कहा, चलिए आपको सुनवाते हैं।
So we are here, we've just arrived from India today, in fact this afternoon, and our very first stop has been to this moving September 11 memorial. I was in New York myself on 9/11 and I still remember vividly the experience of the horror of that day. I remember going on CNN that evening, international, and saying that we are all New Yorkers now. And it's a reminder of the solidarity that all people around the world feel in the face of terrorism. The solidarity that we are here to express today with the victims who span so many different nationalities, Americans and Indians and so many others were victims of 9/11. Is a reminder, sadly, that we ourselves in India have been subject to the same wounds that you are seeing the scars of today in this very moving memorial. So we have come in a spirit of solidarity. We have come at the same time on a mission. We are traveling to 5 countries. We will be back in the US at the end of a journey that will take us to Guyana, Panama, Colombia and Brazil before we return to Washington. And in these countries we are hoping to be able to explain to the world how important it is for all of us to stand together against the scourge of terrorism. Just as the US showed such resolution and determination in the wake of 9/11, so too our country has stood up against the forces of evil who attacked us on the 22nd of April. We hope that a lesson has been learned by those who perpetrated this attack and by those who finance, train, equip and direct them. But we want to communicate to the world that we will not be sitting quietly if this is repeated, and we want the world to understand that this is not a time for indifference, but for mutual strength and mutual solidarity, so that we can all unitedly stand up for the values that the United States has always cherished, the values of democracy, of human freedom, of diversity, of coexistence of people of different communities, none of which sadly is in the agenda of those who conducted such attacks.
बताते चले कि कांग्रेस सांसद शशि थरूर के नेतृत्व में सर्वदलीय प्रतिनिधि मंडल में शामिल बीजेपी नेता शशांक मनी ने कहा, आज हमारा न्यूयॉर्क से करीब 10 दिवसीय कार्यक्रम शुरू हुआ। आज हम वहां गए जहां आतंकवाद ने न्यूयॉर्क को भी 9/11 में ध्वस्त किया था। हम बताना चाहते हैं कि आतंक किसी एक देश का नहीं है, बल्कि ये वैश्विक समस्या है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने ये सिद्ध कर दिया है कि हमने जो काम किया है उससे आतंकवाद पर प्रहार हुआ है, और आने वाले समय में यदि विकसित भारत का निर्माण करना है तो हमें आतंकवाद का सफाया करना पड़ेगा और इसमें हर देश को हमारे साथ जुड़ना पड़ेगा।